Welcome guys to another video. This is another project here in Katani. It's going to be a 3-bedroom bungalow and I'm in the company of
Engineer Dave Karaoke from Katani's Construction Company.
Yeah, so together we are going to talk about this project. Today they are doing the walling. As you can see, the precast panels have been laid. So, Davey, how many precast panels will this house consume?
This house, it's a 3-bedroom flat roof. It will consume 120 panels, 2.5 meter height.
Yes.
And when you include the kitchen worktops, it will be 125.
Okay.
Yes.
125 2.5 meter high panels.
Exactly.
Okay.
Yes.
Now, what is the size of this house?
These are, as I said, the 3-bedroom flat roof house. It's 117 plinth area square meters, and it's a flat roof. So on the top it's a slab.
Okay.
Yeah.
117 square
117 square meters.
The site, as I can see, the soil is black cotton soil.
Yes.
So how did you overcome that challenge to build the foundation?
It was the first challenge we encountered because, you know, Katani, it's there's a lot of black cotton soil.
Yeah.
So we did around 6 courses foundation. And all the backfilling. So it took some time because it took 7 days for us to complete the foundation. And that's the first challenge we got, but we overcome it because we employed the manpower and we also have the professionalism of dealing with such problems.
Okay.
Yeah.
Now, if you can just point the rooms of this house.
Yes.
Currently, where we are standing, is this the front of the house?
No. The front is on that side. So that's the entry porch.
Yeah.
We have the sunken lounge.
Yeah,
Then
you can see the step.
Yes, we have the sunken lodge. Then this is the master in suite. We have
this room
exactly.
Behind.
This is the room behind. Is the master in suite. You can see. And then we have here we'll have the common toilet and washroom, and the other 2 bedrooms.
Oh, here where they're putting up this panel.
Exactly.
These are common?
We have the separate common toilets, and then the other 2 bedrooms.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Now let's talk about the height.
Yes.
It's 2.5 meters.
Yes.
I'm assuming you will use a 300 millimeter deep beam.
Yes, of course.
Now, which type of technology will you use to build the slab?
Oh, the slab will use the precast beam to beam technology.
Yeah.
Now we'll be using the T-beams.
Oh.
The T-beams and the blocks.
Not the flat beam.
Not the flat beam. We'll use the T-beams. No, when you use the T-beams, it will help us also meet the target timeline, because once we place the T-beam on top of the concreted beam, when we put the topping for concrete or for the T-beam on top, we can continue with the finishes inside because there are no props needed to support the T-beams.
Okay.
So that's why we use that technology, because of the timeline that we have from the client side.
Yeah.
Yes.
What is the cost of the panels?
The cost of the panels, and of course we used also 55C channels.
Yes.
For the openings, the doors and window steel casement. So it came around 300,000, both panels and C channels.
Okay.
Yes.
In the cost of the panels, did you include the panels that will be used for the countertops?
Exactly, everything. Everything. And transportation.
Before,
And transportation included also.
So is that something you thought about before? Was it the client? Did you think beforehand?
Before we did that, we had an engagement with the client. We had that discussion one-on-one, and we also advised the client on ways that we can do it, because she was agreeing. Then we use the masonry type of tops, but we can also use the panels for it. So there's no need we use the masonry way, the traditional blocks, and we can use the panels. So when we showed that, and also it helped us meet the timeline because it's fast. And she agreed, and we chose that as the solution in way.
That is very, very insightful.
Yeah,
you had to think beforehand and advise the client.
Exactly, and also that includes also about the T-beams. When using the T-beam for the slab, because she's to get in the house by 1st of May.
Oh, really?
Yeah, by 1st of May.
We are in the middle of March.
And we're in the middle. We are in week 2 actually.
Of construction.
Wow. And we are looking at maybe mid-April, the house will be done.
Yeah. Because this is a 3-bedroom bungalow. How long do you think you will be done with the walling?
The walling will be done by tomorrow.
Oh, really?
The walling will be done by tomorrow.
So
And
this is today's work?
this is today's work only.
Wow.
So tomorrow the walling will be done, and before Monday, already the columns will have been concreted.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Fantastic.
Yeah.
So I'll give you a second update when we are going to do the beam and block slab for the flat roof.
Yeah.
So stay tuned. Thanks for watching.
And thank you guys. I appreciate.